Buggy. No. I want the balloons. Can I get the balloons? Hey guys, welcome to a little weekend vlog with me and Munchkin and some of our outings. It's been a very quiet time here in Merida, Mexico because, you know, just paying double deposits and everything to try and rent a home. But this weekend I decided that we should get out of the house and do some things. So this is us at Parque Las Americas, which is just a park that people go to buy street food and hang out. This was on Friday night and this monument was lit, the fountain was flowing, and it was a beautiful little family environment. There goes a limo with a bride, it seems, and her bridesmaids. These are the vendors that were out selling everything from marquesitas, esquites, elotes, all the things were being sold. And I did try an esquite at the end of the night. I think you'll see some footage of that there. So this is us just kind of walking around, looking at what everybody has and deciding corn dogs and deciding what to try. I haven't seen, you know, such a strong showing of Mexican street food yet, so we were just really trying to figure out what everyone was selling with our limited Spanish. And over in the park there are some kids playing as well, which I really loved to see because we need more of this in Jamaica. It tugged at my heart a little bit because I wish we had things like this in Jamaica more. We have parks, of course, but nothing like this where it's just in almost every community I've been in. The park is just there and it's safe and everyone can enjoy themselves on a Friday night. So this is a marquesita, which was way too much cheese and not enough sweet to balance it out, which is just cheese and Nutella. And this is an esquite, which is corn and chips and cream and cheese and whatever toppings you wanted kind of dumped into a cup. And this was actually kind of interestingly delicious. I had a go at it and it wasn't bad at all. So there's a dance class happening right in front of the monument in the park and they were so cute. That tastes good. The outside tastes weird.
Weird?
Yeah. The inside tastes like chocolate. And then we tried these icicles, not icicles, fudgies. Fudgies is what we would call them in Jamaica. But they were delicious. Mine had Bailey's in the middle, so I was doing my little happy dance. I was really liking it and just loving the overall vibe of being out in the park. Like I was saying, you know, Jamaica does not have this kind of atmosphere where you can just go outside and sit at a park and be safe and nobody's harassing you, nobody's trying to aggressively sell you anything. It's just a chill family vibe, and we have one or two parks like this in Jamaica. We need one of these on like every block in Jamaica, just like they have them here. There's one in every neighborhood that we have been in so far, so that's really good. Alright, this clown, no, he really had the crowd going, but we didn't stay around for much of his performance because, of course, he's going in Spanish and we couldn't get the joke then. And Munchkin is surprisingly afraid of clowns still. I don't know why.
Esos chavos que escuchan esa rola caminan así como la neta es que imagina estar llegando allá al otro lado y que ¿qué onda desde que están tirando plata.
So on Saturday morning, I went to the San Benito market, the Mercado San Benito here. It's the main market in downtown Merida. I've been here before, right to this food spot actually, but I have never been inside the market, so that was fun to go with my new friends here today. We started, of course, with some tacos, al pastor tacos and nachos. Right outside the market, you can sit and eat the most delicious tacos. So of course, the band was following us around for a bit when we entered the market, seeing that we stand out like a sore thumb, I guess. But we walked into the market right at what was the shoe section and clothing section. What surprised me the most kind of about this market, especially at this part, because it wasn't like this throughout the whole market, was just how quiet and organized everything was. I was like, downtown Kingston could never, like, we were just walking by and we would stop at our own leisure and look at what we wanted to look at, and if we had questions we would ask questions. It was not overwhelming for me at all if there was nobody breathing down my neck. And it was a Saturday morning. I really was expecting it to be like crowded and just too much, like way too much. We stopped and bought some strawberries and just look at them, like look at the strawberry. Then just nice and pretty and red. They're like, come, buy me now. I could never get this. Like, why you have the fruits and the snacks out just in the open and the flies are all over it? That was not like appetizing at all. I would never buy sweets from you, ma'am. But do y'all? I mean, yeah, do y'all. A lot of the market is just kind of bungalow. Like, you know, this is the food section, but there was like leather goods being sold on right across from the aisle. And you know, sometimes you think that the market is in like blocks, like, okay, I can get market items here, fresh veggies and fruits, and then right across you see a stall with like, what is that, iPhones. I went to buy, not to buy, because him did want to tease me. His prices were too high. I was hoping to find headphones and a charger for my iPhone in his little stall, but he was not, I was not, so I didn't. But yeah, everything kind of bungled up in this little area, so everything, kind of everything you want. Some stalls just never make no sense to me, like they were selling like rusty knives and garden tools, and I was like, okay, I guess there's a need because you're here. So if you want like rabbits and chickens and birds, yeah, available in the market too. I was just like, I don't want to stay too long in this section. I'm not trying to leave out here smelling like chicken, please. No, thank you. Like, we left and went to Costco for a bit. I won't show you that, but this machine here is life-changing. I need one. I need it. Alright, so later that night I went to dinner with the same ladies. We went to Roca Steakhouse and that was pretty cute. This is a whole roasted cauliflower. I did not expect that it would come like this when we ordered roasted cauliflower, but it was quite a show. And yes, it was actually quite delicious too. I did not expect that either. Look at them pouring cheese over this whole head of cauliflower. But alright, it was yummy. This is my salmon crusted with nuts and, you know, with a sweet sauce on the side. And my girl had steak. Everything was delicious. I loved all the meals there that I tried. I would definitely go back to Roca Steakhouse for sure. This was a shrimp fettuccine dish and some roasted veggies and mashed potatoes coming up. Then this morning I actually went to a picnic and hang out in the park with my team. Didn't take footage of that, so okay, bye. I'll see y'all next time.